Time for my next unboxing. I got the Insta 360 Go 3S. Yes, the new one. I got this because I wanted to do some POV on car videos and stuff like that. Also, this is what I just finished unboxing, was the creator combo. I just got that, just finished unboxing it. If you want to check that out, check my unboxing, see what I got in here. Check my other video and you'll get that one. But this one right here, I can't wait to add these two together, the combo. I got the Pocket 3 and then this one, it's gonna help with all my videos. And I also got a drone coming in also too tomorrow, so I'll be doing an unboxing of that new DJI Neo drone, so get ready for that one tomorrow. I'm gonna pair all three of these together and hopefully come out with some amazing videos for you guys. But let's unbox this one and see what's actually in here and what we get. Let's go. All right, so now we're gonna be unboxing the Insta 360 Go. Like I said, I just finished the DJI creator combo. Can't wait to get to that one next, and I will be making videos on these, so be looking out for those here pretty soon. All right, well, let's get to this one and check it out. This one, when I got the creator combo, I didn't think it was all in there because the box was so small, but they crammed everything in there. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, check that out. Well, this is just like all the, actually got stuff in here. Got the charger and some paperwork. Oh, there's something on the other side. Let's see what we got on this side. Oh, all the paperwork. Yeah, all the paperwork on that side. We'll put that aside. Oh, here we go. Oh man. Oh, check that out. Yes. Wow. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. Look at all this. It's nice packaging, man. Wow, this feels good in the hands. The magnet. Can't wait to put that on. Oh yes, this I'm gonna probably be using a lot to put for POV videos on cars when I do car videos. And then here we go, guys. Let's check it out. Oh wow, wow, check that out. Amazing. Oh, let's see if we can take it out. Oh yeah, I think you have to push the buttons on the side or something, right? I think this one right here, yeah. Oh shoot. And it has stuff you gotta take off. Let's check it out. Oh yes. Let's check it out, guys. First time I'm gonna do the magnet. Oh wow. Oh, it turned on. I wasn't ready for it to turn on. Oh my god. This is gonna be insane, bro. Ah, it feels really good. It feels durable, like it feels, have some weight to it. Oh, this is awesome. But there you go, guys. A little bit of what I got in here. Got the charger, got the hat mat. Can't wait to try this out. Put it on and put it on. That's gonna be awesome. Also got this. I'll mess with all this stuff right now. I have no clue what to do any of this stuff right now, but it feels good. And then you got this one. I think this one goes with this, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it goes like this, and then it tilts up. Oh yeah, there you go. See, you put that on, and then supposedly this magnet, and then you can sticky it down somewhere. But I might use this to hold, to do videos and stuff, or I think you can move it, down. So might do that, to record, so I could have something to hold on to instead of getting because I got it so it can be small, and then that's gonna be perfect. But this one right here is for the camera. Don't know how to. Oh yeah, this is. Oh wow, I didn't even. This is really magnetic, man. Damn, this really is tough, tough. Like I'm getting far, and it's like, oh man, it's on there too. Wow, and I still have the paper on it. Look at that. It's still the paper. That's super magnetic, man. I think this is magnetic. Yeah, this is magnetic, but not as tough. This ain't as tough. This one's a little iffy. You're gonna have that, and there's nothing blocking it. It's not as tough as this one right here. This one's really tough. And I believe this is a magnet too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, maybe I have it backwards. See, oh yeah, see. This is pretty good. Oh wow, this one's a good one too. This one's a good magnet. Wow. It has to go in there though, I guess, and then you. Dang. Yeah, that one's on there. That's good. You want them good. The only one I'm iffy about is the cap one. It's not. Maybe I gotta turn it the other way. No, it's this way. So you have to put it in a certain way because they won't let you. Like, you have to put it a certain way. It locks in, but it's not as durable as the other ones. Dude, I can't wait to try this out. This is awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. Check that out. Got the screen. Oh, look at this. Wow. I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know if it's recording right now. I don't know nothing, but I'm about to go and explore it all, make some videos. This is awesome. I got this one. I got my my camera, the creator combo. Man, I'm been making tons of videos. And the microphone, it has a new microphone, wireless microphone on here with the DJI. So I'm gonna be pairing all this together, man. This is awesome, dude. And I got my drone coming, dude. Like, check this out. Got the creator, man, dude. I just had to live it up, man. Start making more videos and stuff like that for all y'all guys. But I hope y'all enjoy. If I want, I bought this myself. I did not have nobody pay for this. It's not sponsored or nothing. I went out and I got it all from myself. From the drone to the camera to the other camera. I paid for all of it myself. This is not no sponsor, guys. So when I do my review on all these videos, all this equipment, it's gonna be all mine and what my true review, because this ain't no sponsor. This ain't nobody telling me what to say. It's all me. I bought it all myself. So this is awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.
Clean up. That's all you gotta do.
All right, go. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the ninja move.
Wow.
I'm a ninja now. Hi-ya!